Hey Kelly, okay, this is a super quick tutorial about page formatting. Let me look at the page. I see what you're talking about. And so when you talk about raggedy, what happened is that you've got a line break right here, and you're not sure how to fix it, which I totally understand. Okay, so let's go into the dashboard and let's see where that line break is. Okay, so let me take a guess at what's going to happen. I'm going to go here, and you're stuck. Okay, let's go like this, and let's move this down a little. Let's try. Sometimes I just kind of muck around with it. X, and okay, let's see. The word was could not, so now I have to find it. Okay, and could not. So what? So now it's here. Now we're not going to like the way that looks. But let's just test it out anyway. So now instead of the middle, push it to the bottom. That's not so bad. So let's look at your options. Trying to think of where I would put this. I'm thinking, I mean, see, the problem is these two are here. Sorry to make a video where I'm just thinking out loud. Because this thing's floating around. Let me pause and think about this. Okay, I think we need to move both pictures. So let's move Sean Kelly up, and then we're going to put this here. So let's put Sean Kelly. Now watch, I click it, and this is the hard thing. See my pointer, and see how it's between F and A right now. It's really, really hard to see, but it is there. And if you're just come in and squint and look at this full screen. Anyway, let's bring it all the way back to before the T of the Sean Kelly. Let's actually bring it. Let's actually bring it up higher. Let's bring it to here. So it's aligned now with this. Now the reason it didn't go over here is because it's right aligned, right? Now let's bring this all the way up here. And then let's keep this. What is this? Is this centered? Let's see. Centered. I don't know. We might want to do it left. Let's take a look at this. So the quick answer is that I just cut and paste the text just because it was formatting it and getting in the way. So let's hit refresh. I think that looks a little better. So now they're tucked in a little bit. So this is more here. You know, we can move this down. The last thing I'll do is let's move this down. And you can obviously undo and change all of this. Let's make a line break. And sometimes line breaks don't stick, so let's take a look. Let's go back and forth. See, it didn't stick. That's a whole thing about how to make a line break. This means line break. So sometimes if you're desperate, let's say read more. Where does it say read more? Okay, read more. So then we're going to put a line break here, that little piece of code. Visual. So that little space looks a little awkward in the editor. But it kind of gives it a little breathing room. That would be my suggestion. If you want this bigger, let me know. Okay, that's what I would do. I'm just going to say update and stop the video.